Let's begin our first class with phonics. Phonics is a technique of reading and writing of alphabets based on sounds.
A sounds, B sounds, C sounds, D sounds, E sounds, F sound, G sound, H sound, I sound, J sound, K sound, L sound, M sound, N sounds, O sounds, P sounds, Q sounds, R sounds, S sounds, T sounds, U sounds, V sounds, W sounds, X sounds, Y sounds, Z sounds,